In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a phone app video using XD and Photoshop. So the first thing you'll need to do is to open your app, make sure that you've set up your prototyping with the home page set, and then you've joined all of your pages like so. You're going to go over to play, the play button, and then you can begin to record your sequence by pressing record. Stop the recording and then save it to your desktop. Then you can open the Photoshop file provided, which is a 1080 by 1920 landscape document. And you'll need to be in the setting of motion. So then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your MP4 and pop it onto your page. Hit enter. I'm going to come down to the timeline and we're going to create video timeline. And we can see our timeline there. Pull up and down. Now I'm just going to make sure that the background is in line with the length of the video. Now what we can do is we can draw in a mobile. Draw around the app, something like that. Just going to make that the length of the video sequence. Double click on the rounded rectangle layer. It's going to add in a drop shadow. That kind of lifts it off the page slightly. You can experiment with the depth and the blend modes, and then there we have, if you press play, that will begin your sequence. Okay, you can add in things like type. If we wanted to move these two away, we could then use this area to add in any branding, add in any type that you might want to animate next to your video. Make your own animation using the timeline. So if I now hit play, okay, so once you've made your timeline, you've added in your text sequence, you're going to come down to the arrow in the bottom left hand corner. Here you can name your file. The format you're going to select is H.264. You're going to have high quality preset. Make sure that you select HDTV 1080p. That will be 1920 by 1080. And hit render.